Hello guys, good morning! How are you? How's your morning? Kumusta kayong lahat dyan guys? Kumustang araw nyo? Kumustang morning nyo guys? Have a good day everyone! So guys, medyo na tayo, nakaligo na din tayo guys. Feel fresh na. Of course, yung morning natin is still busy. Busy as always guys. So ayun, nakakapag-coffee naman tayo. Medyo nalamig-lamigan na din guys kasi na-busy din ako. Naiwanan ko naman din ang coffee ko guys. So ayun, medyo not so hot na talaga. But still good guys. Still tastes good. Okay? So, I hope you had a good day, guys. Good morning to all and everyone. Have a good day and have a blessed day ahead to all of us, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Keep safe. And good morning and good evening to all other some friends. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.